Paige Leanne. So I can't talk really loud today, so I'm going to be even more whispering than I normally would. And I do have my assistant here with me today, Faith. Yes, y'all, like, this girl stays glued to me. But anyways, this video is way overdue. I was supposed to be doing an update on the rice water, my 6 months, well, a year and 6 months into this year. And it was supposed to have been in June, but then I ended up bleaching my hair. So I wanted to hold off for the moment until I could just focus on getting my hair back healthy and moisturized and all that good stuff, which I have done that at this point. So I figured I would do a straightening video today. Yes, today is going to be a straightening video, a length check, and also just letting y'all know that this is it for me in the rice water, other than me just fitting it in every blue moon. But it's not going to be a weekly thing from here on out with me. I've been doing it for a year and a half now, and I've seen great results from it. Don't get me wrong, but I have been doing something for the past 3 to 4 months now that I think I'm going to substitute for the rice water. I'll be doing a video of that soon, so y'all stay tuned. All I'm going to end up starting off doing is with, did my rice water yesterday, just since I was doing this video. I barely had any breakage. I'm actually going to put somewhere on the screen here the amount of breakage that I did have. And all I ended up doing was doing my hair in 2 strands with about 8 of them. Sweetie, mommy's recording. And she's like, I don't care. I'm just playing with my tablet. So I have about 8 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera, and then I'll be back and we will get started with this straightening. So here is my hair completely blown out, y'all. And I'm like glowed right now, dead serious, that my hair is this freaking thick and big. Like, I'm excited, definitely, to go straighten it. It's been 7 months since I straightened my hair. It was supposed to have been 6, but I already explained that. So I'm definitely excited. Like, seriously, I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen all throughout this video in my last video so y'all can compare as well. Y'all can go ahead and go check out that video after you finish with this one. I'm going to link that in the description box so you can just click on it. So let's go ahead and get into this straightening. Okay, y'all, so I had to go to the bathroom and check this out because I just couldn't believe it, but it is so far down my back. Like, this is crazy. But I'm going to go ahead and trim my end, a trimming hair video, letting y'all know more information on what I found out. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do this length check before I take off any length. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the tape measure out to 12. And that would be so awesome, but I know I can just tell it's not 12. I always measure this side, so that's why I'm just going to stick to it since that's been the side I started measuring from the start. So somebody just called and messed up my video. But okay, so I'm starting at the 0 and I'm just going to put that to my scalp. Okay, so the 0 is to my scalp. I'm just gonna stretch it out. Let's see where we're at. So y'all don't make too much fun of my ends. I promise they're about to come off. Okay, so stopping with that part right there, I would say. So you can see that's past 10. Oh, wow. I didn't expect that. So I am past 10 inches. That is amazing. Like, I'm finally out the single digits. I'm in the double digits. Okay, so I was at almost at 11. I think it was like about 10 and a half. Yes, so I am too excited. Okay, so let's go and get this finished up so we can see. I'm going to go ahead and trim off because I do like to trim while I'm straightening my hair. I hate going back and doing it. That's just me. Okay, so I am now exactly at 10. Actually, the notch after 10. So that's still not bad. So this is the finished look. I did leave my hair tied up for a little bit and I untied it. I definitely gained length. I did have to cut off a good amount, but it's pretty much about the same that I cut off in my last video. And I'm the type of person, I'd rather just get the dead ends off. I know people say about repairing them and with deep conditions and all that. I've done deep conditions literally my whole 7 months of this year. I've done deep conditions, and at one point I was doing them 1 time a week, and I've been sticking to that. So I really don't think that was gonna make it where I just wouldn't have to trim off any ends. So either way, I'm planning on wearing my straight hair for about a week, and then I'm just gonna go back curly. Gonna end up doing something with this. So I hope y'all like this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.